Dear viewers, in continuation the previous lecture, today I am going to discuss about the projectile motion, how the ranges actually vary depending upon the angle of projection. So this is continuation of the previous lecture. In previous lecture, batsman is hitting the ball at 30 meter per second at an angle of 30 degree. So we got the range is 77.94. Suppose the angle of projection is increased from 30 to 45, then the range is 90 meter. It is more than the 30 degree range. So again, if you further increase to 60 degree, the range if you substitute here, then we will get 77.94. Then the range, the theta angle of projection is 90 degree, then the range is 0. Okay. So if the range is function of the velocity, that is speed of at which the batsman hitting the ball, and as well as the theta angle of projection. So what is the logical thinking? Suppose if you ask the angle of projection is more and more, then you may think the ball with land, the range will become lesser and lesser. One viewer is replied, if the theta is increased, logically the range will be reduced. Let us see in this example how it plays. If the theta angle is increased, the range is increased, if theta value is 0 to r, when r is maximum, when r will be maximum, the sine to theta becomes 1, then r is maximum. When sine to theta becomes 1, theta value is 45 degree. So the batsman, if he hits the ball at 45 degree, then he will get the maximum range of 90 meter. Again, if you increase 60 degree, the range is reduced to 77.94. Again, theta is 90 degree, r is 0 meter. Okay. So suppose if a batsman hitting the ball at 90 degree, what will happen? Sometimes the bowler will catch the ball. The bowler will catch the ball. So here, the fundamental question, why the range is decreased if theta is increases? If you see the equations, the r is the function of the velocity as well as the angle of projection. The angle of projection, when 45, you will obtain the maximum range. So r is function of the sine 2 theta. Let us analyze the sine 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta? Y is sin x. If you know the plot the graph for y is equal to sin x, then if you put the value for 0, sin x 0, then you will get 0. Sin pi by 2, that is sin 90, you will get 1. Sin 3 pi by 2, you will get, okay, sin pi also, one number is missing. So pi by 2, again pi is, you will get 0. You can add here. When the value is pi, you will get 0. Okay. Then 3 pi by 2, you will get minus 1. 2 pi 0. So if you plot a graph, when sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is plus 1, sin pi is 0, 3 pi by 2 minus 1, 2 pi is 0. So when you will get the maximum value, when sin pi by 2 is maximum, you will get the maximum 1. So you will get the maximum range when sin 2 theta becomes 1. Therefore, when the angle varies from theta to 0 to 45, increase, again 45 to 0, 45 to 90, it will decrease. So the logic is actually up to valid for 45. Again 45, it is in the reverse. It is going up, again it is reversing up. So the reason is because of the sine function. This is the reason. If you see another important aspect, why the sine 30 and sine 60, you will get the same range. What is the reason for same range? where the theta 30 is lies. Theta 30 is lies somewhere here, this point. So we will obtain the sin 30 somewhere here. Similarly, sin 30, 2 theta means 60 somewhere here. Similarly, 2 into theta 120. 120 is somewhere here. See here, both are same. So we will get the same range. Either 60 and 230, 2 theta. You will get the same range. So I think now you understood. Even though the theta is increasing, the range will become maximum when theta is 45. Again after 45 degree, then it decreases. Then when 90, then range is 0. That is why suppose a batsman is hitting the ball. If the ball gets edged, then it is going up to the thing, then caught by the wicket keeper or caught and bowled. 2 days back also in Sri Lanka versus India, batsman hitting the ball, then the ball is edged, then caught by the bowler itself. The reason is the angle of projection is 90 degree, roughly about 90 degree. Suppose the cricketer wants to get the maximum benefit. What is the possibility? The possibility is either the speed of hitting the ball should increase, or the angle which direction he is hitting the ball should be 45 degree. Then only it will reach the maximum distance or maximum, that is called range. So when 45 degree, it will reach the maximum range. So this I think if you like the video, then you subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.